G'day everybody out there that has the notifications flicked on and follows this YouTube page. Just going to show you top of my watch list today, really, for those that are using the FTX platform. If not, use the link below to get yourself an account. Why not? It's a bloody good platform to use. It's the one I use myself. Look, on Thursday, you are going to get part 3 of the 4-part series that I'm doing with FTX. I know hundreds of you have registered and you're watching this. It will only be done live. It will not be recorded for you to have sent out. So please be there live. What you're going to see is a combination of everything I've been discussing in the last 2 events coming together in the form of a trading strategy. And guess what? I've got one of those right here that's been prepared a little bit early for the event. I want to show you what I'm looking at on Tezos right now. It's the order, it's the chart I like the most out of the entire list that I've done today. And I just want to start to feed into you a little bit about what you've learned in the ingredients in part 2 last week, so that you start to click in your head about how these sort of ingredients start to come together. And I want to then feed this to you so you can make your decisions, because I never do it for you, never do financial advice, and you can make your own decision. So let's think of a couple of things that we look at first and foremost. One is trend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Tick that box. 2, do we have the moving averages in the correct order on this time frame? 10 is above the 20. Yep, we can tick that. Then we jump across to the 2-day. Is the 10 period above the 20? We can tick that. Do we have the 2-day chart in an uptrend? High, higher low, higher high. Absolutely. Looks very, very good, doesn't it? Now, do we have a bullish candle in that cradle zone? Yes, we do. Now, although not the most bullish of candles, I don't mind it. It's not terrible. And the way that Tezos has been trending and running lately, it's definitely one that I do like. So, for me, I like the look of this. Now we've got to check convergence. As price has made a higher high, has the MACD done the same on the daily? And yes, here's the higher high in price. Here's the higher high replicated there in the MACD. Jump to the 2-day. Let's check that out too to make sure we're convergent. Higher high, higher high. So we can tick that box too. We're starting to see how a confluence of events can come together to create a trading outcome. Now, of course, you don't have all the rules just yet. You're going to get all of them on Thursday. But this trade to me, or this particular market to me, what I'm really trying to capture within this cradle strategy is the point at which we find a higher low and move to a higher high. Much the same as back here. Look, pulled back in, bullish candle, broke the high. Now, I'm not suggesting that was a good trade, by the way, but it broke the high. It didn't break this low. Let me mark that in for you right here. Stop loss there as a hypothetical. Didn't break, pushed on, and it was profitable. We're trying to find this point here, up here. So we're a trade as a cradle trade. We're looking at saying, okay, we're going to break through here. If we do, we're hoping to see higher highs in this trend. A continuation of that current trend on Tezos is what we're after. Now, if you also like to trade breakouts, well, there's something else for you to have a look at down here. Now, I got a trading strategy called the Bitcoin breakout. It's a breakout strategy where again, it's a checklist-based system. But look down here. I know it's not absolutely flawless. We have test 1, test 2. Now, that's enough to be resistance, but I want a third. Note as well the shift in momentum. We've got a higher low, equal level of resistance. If we can bubble and build up into that region, then we've got ourselves a bit of momentum, very similar to your nan's pressure cooker or your nan's old stove. The steam builds up and builds up, and it starts to whistle, and as it releases that steam, it shoots up. That's what we're looking for in a breakout type trade. The higher lows replicating the lack of sellers each time we hit this level. A third test could be very, very good indeed. That is a different strategy that we're teaching on the FTX event, but it's just an understanding, again, a little bit more insight into how I read charts, why it's important to know what it is that you're looking for, and just cutting out all the names and all the rubbish out there that you really don't need to know about. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that is a beneficial video for you. Of course, it will make a lot more sense once we have finished part 3 and cover the entire strategy in Thursday's event at 4 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I wanted to show you this because it's there. You've learnt the ingredients and it's just starting to tick the boxes and to show you how we're going to be thinking and how we're going to be using these ingredients on Thursday. So have a great day. Like I say, if you haven't got an FTX account, click on the link below, get yourself one of those accounts, because this is where you trade it. Have a great day, guys. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.